Adabe, give me Hollandia yogurt.
The one there for me though?
Yes.
That bread where you the thief so now 700.
Jesus.
What's up, guys? It's OBIKING and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. So make sure to watch to the very end because trust me, this is the best you've ever seen. You understand? Subscribe and share. It's important. So don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Welcome to India. Hello, sir. We've got all your results from African hospital, and the diagnosis is ready already. The doctor inside is waiting for you, ready already. Please welcome. Africans, here they come.
The doctor is here to attend to you.
Dr. Chukuka from General Hospital.
Governor Amuneke, in shock you, you frustrated the entire healthcare. You did not pay salary. You made the whole thing ungovernable for us. Till I ran to this place. Look at the equipment inside this place. It's not even half of the thing you use for your vacation. Now you're here for me to treat you. You thought I was not going to survive. Guess who is not going to survive today?
You.
Yeah, doctor.
That's what they do. Crazy governors. Crazy politicians.
What is the problem, sir?
This careless doctor, he doesn't want to treat me. In fact, I want you to sack him.
So sorry, sir.
doesn't have
I
like
can't
that.
fire him because he's my boss and he's the owner of this hospital.
Oh, he owns this place. I'm finished with that now. So you carried your wickedness to this place. You still want to sack me here.
My kidney is failing now.
Governor Amuneke, I will write petition to all the international hospitals, instructing them not to treat you anywhere they see you.
That's so.
Is it that you leave this hospital or I call the security on you?
What do you mean you call the security? Senator Maro.
Don't implicate me, because they don't know that I'm a senator from Africa. It's not going to attend to me. Please, I'm about to deliver here. Please.
Minister Dauda.
Namaste, I don't know you. I don't know you. Are you playing? What type of play you play?
This guy will go.
Namaste, my name is Rashkan. I'm from India, please. I don't know you.
Hi. Wait a minute.
This is a lesson to our politicians. A big lesson to our politicians. If I lie, more than left. Shaggy.
Make I can't sit down with you. They talk 100 men fight gorilla. Then 100 men fight gorilla. You support at this your age. Okay. You know talk about how the old days go fight government, fight poverty, make everything dey okay. Only this motto still dey here. For 13 years. I be the engine don't knock. I will see.
Hey! You open. So, you want to steal the car? You want to steal car for broad daylight?
Mushin ya straight. Oh no. Parolo.
Just like that.
Hey, hello, fine girl. Wait till they do this one. I mean they call you where they. You still say you fine. You make that bread with a throw for water. Yeah. Mama Gazi, you know what answer? You think I don't buy new car now, they beef my glory.
I get it, Baje.
What? You dey place? I'm gonna pull it. Now me, see God go punish you. I dey follow it up. You dey ignore me, abi? Oh no, shit.
Nobody they notice that.
Jesus swept so weak. Shaggy, every time I want to beg for 1K.
Hello? Where the Alpha
day for mosque.
On my glass, I don't vanish, so.
Vanish, care, you don't hide.
I do the power. I know where they talk now. You know that car with the park for road 13, that black car with the put for sale.
I Sabinus.
I just sent out the car since nobody don't buy it. Everybody where they agree since they don't even see me. What happened?
Make sure you up that car now.
What happened now?
But see where they get that car. That person don't disappear for 13 years. They've not found him yet. He entered the car, he started it, and he didn't come out again. Shaggy wept.
Shaggy wept, this crazy guy. My guy is on so much.
can't go leave your car for middle of the road. You don't know say they break the law?
God, forget the law.
Come on, go and carry that car out of the road.
I don't feel enter that car as I did like this.
All this Yahoo boy, don't go put your hand for what you know. Now you don't run mad.
Hey, God, the car they come.
Hey! You be mumu. You
Can't they come by yourself?
No.
Who's the driver?
I don't know.
Invisible car. Yeah! Security myself, bro. Invisible car. Quadri.
Hey, let me say no boy flavor way they tell me kadang.
Kodji, Bale. Kale.
This guy they make
Oh, I
me
go to the
laugh.
play mobile now.
Where da fun ati Ronaldo. Say what make the so for abikini play na. E mo se kini se ri pe mo fe ku lana ni. Odi ni mo ya nkan mo ti pariwo ti won ti se kini ni. Ari gbe kini. Igba bọ́ọ̀lù mo kani ba mo.
Oh, babo mo. Ja lo play set o gbo to fe gbe le ni 100,000.
Se ni kipa.
Keep.
Very sweet girl. King's Mail. As I must you ignore, Moke na talk am again no. Na musician they call you.
Musician will never blow. Na content creator.
Jesus.
Excuse me.
As how now? Boy, we know in work now they do shakara for as how now? Normally I don't say to carry car shop. If not, why you go use me to do carry car shop?
Can I take it to my mom?
You?
She said what?
Why?
Listen to the car. I will explain.
What's going on here? You go enter, me no go enter.
And give me your love.
You go enter now after all the guys. See how? See compound. Musician will never do a content creator. What? Now soldier.
Oh, hi baby. Is he the guy you told me about?
Yes, mom.
Good day, man.
Good day. Have a seat.
Thank you.
The irregular speedometer, Scorpion King out the antenna is popping on maximum frequency. Receive the free Wi-Fi and send it back.
You're welcome.
Thank you, man.
So, I believe my daughter has told you everything.
Yes, ma. Apart from the fact that you are a military personnel, she no talk rich there.
You see my daughter here, she has been through a lot of heartbreaks. Taking it upon myself that any relationship she's gonna get into, I have to be abreast of it. So, young man, what do you want from my daughter?
I want her loyalty, her trust, her honesty.
Let's have it.
Financial support.
Let's see the meeting for the first time.
Are you a gold digger?
No, I'm not a good digger, but I'm liability, but I'm a businessman.
So why do you want her money?
I don't want her money. The thing is that, as a businessman, sometimes we venture into new businesses and we want to invest in it, And after investing, we'll go broke. Sometimes we need somebody to lean on. That is why having a supportive partner is very good, you understand? Sometimes when you go broke, you bounce on somebody. I want to take a gun to Malawi with my baby. It's not good now. When I go broke, my baby should guide.
Having said that, can you ask her out in my presence? Feel free.
I should ask her out here.
Be free.
What's going on here? Why must I do that? I wouldn't do that. You won't spoil my skin.
Now, when you walked past me earlier, I was captivated by your uncomparable beauty. Then I started wondering if your two legs can be my bunky so I can raise them properly.
You want to sleep with my daughter?
Mama, best you the relationship, we got to knock once now. We got to knock once.
I like that. I like that.
I like how you made it. Not like that's my motive, but at least once now. I can't have this kind of beauty as a girlfriend, and I will not be tempted to suit just sometime.
Young man, there are rules here. You cannot have sexual knowledge of my daughter until after marriage. If you're not okay with the rules, then you have to
They play. Which kind? Confirm, guys. Confirm.
I'm not gonna knock your daughter.
Can you imagine?
Madam, use your hand and marry her.
Which kind nonsense? Now you get time, they even they ask themselves. Drying your shoes. They get them. You know, say they go carry and you still go carry and put for there. You the wine. You know, say they go carry and still mumu go put for there.
Jackpot! I don't tell you, 6 a.m. is the best time to rock for Lagos because everybody don't go work since 4. Oh, before they break. Come on, I jackpot with this one, no see phone. Hey, laptop. Now lie. This guy sabi better to know. You know, believe that this guy they trade with malowallet.org. The best cryptocurrency platform where they. You sabi Malo wallet now?
God have mercy.
you know say then get app for App Store too. I don't talk say after this job, if I don't go legit, now them I go they trade up my cryptocurrency.
Are you done?
Yeah, so I just make a top small bread. And why they use bedroom voice?
You just want to chill, but problem will find you coming.
You go cry, no worry. You go regret your life. No one walk.
Don't have this guy. I do no.
Voila.
I do my G. Alpha, come outside, do your door. Alpha, my bro. Who be your bro? Go on, punish you, man.
Kiriku. What's that tell me this guy?
Who goes see them?
No show and breast on a small boy, yo. No show and breast on a small boy.
You get one. Ha!
They show small picking breast. Cover your head.
This evening you will die.
What's that tell me this guy?
Who knows the whereabouts of this man?
Hey, uncle.
He is wanted. Whosoever that can provide him, get the sum of 5 million naira.
You won't betray your uncle. You know they had that. You know they had that.
Because of money.
You know they had that to betray your uncle. To betray your uncle, you know they had that.
I won't take this nonsense.
Come back here, doctor. What's the meaning of this now? I paid you for this job now.
What's going on here?
See this doctor. See nonsense breast enlargement he did for me.
I won't do breast enlargement. I do one come big past one. No, man, you have to do the two to be big. See your husband.
My brother, you dey complain? I know they complain though. The only one hand I get, and only one breast I supposed to press.
I swear.
The doctor did a great job.
We follow by the man.
The winner there is a loser. And if the loser does not do it, 700 push-ups.
700 push-ups. Okay.
Round 1. Fight. Finish her.
Bam! Okay. Rose, tell her to remove 2 things from her body.
Okay.
So I want you to take off 2 things from your body.
Be specific now, you go come on, we go.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
What you go tell her? You go be specific now, you go tell her what.
Round 2. Fight.
You know get sense.
Finish him.
Okay.
What do you want me to remove?
I don't want you to remove anything.
Oh, God.
Instead, I want you to book my flight to Amsterdam for Afro Juju Fest.
Not good.
Women,
I'm alive for you.
in they think of knacking. Yeah, they think of where she go cook and go have fun.
Oh boy, it's your boy, Jerry. 700 push-ups, 700 push-ups, 700 push-ups.
Even woman self gets sense past them. Woman still gets sense past them.
Hi, can I give you a ride?
I have a boyfriend.
Can I give you a ride? It wasn't specific now, so anybody can enter.
My Chalu, I bought all these gifts for you.
Governor Amuneke.
Odogo, please. I've told you countless times, I'm in a relationship.
Anyway,
I can't accept your gift.
forget about your relationship. I'm talking about marriage here. Let me take you out of these trenches. Look at where you are living. Let me change your life. Mom, you will make a good wife.
Chief, with all due respect, my no is my no. I can't leave my boyfriend for you.
All right.
They say,
money don't buy you happy.
But I want all the money in the world. Money don't.
What's going on here?
Boga, she tell you no. Why you go there happy?
If she refuses to leave that wretched boy with a rich man like me, that means when we marry, she will not leave me for Dangote.
Boga, she did relationship. Serious one.
Forget that shit. Turn by turn, we.
Not turn by turn.
You sure say no be this guy being
make you no go to the buga.
Chief, I've changed my mind. I'm ready to be at Chandugo.
Hold up, nigga.
See boyfriend. See boyfriend. See Mumu.
Wait a minute.
See Mumu with his boyfriend.
Why you still following me? I've already told you I'm not interested in this poverty relationship anymore. Every time, Gary, morning, afternoon, night. Now don't get us like they give me Gary my medicine. Help us. Chief, invite me inside now. Isn't this what you wanted?
Rich men not there everywhere, but beautiful girls full everywhere. Now my advantage be that.
No one again, though. This one to go start doing one guy now.
It's way better pass you. Until reach time for person to come through for them. And the same you.
Renge, if you come now, may you start from scratch.
You don't get better.
You get rice.
Buy a rice. Then calm down.
A divine concern.
Pound this girl. Pound it to where. Pound that where.
I'm not kidding the nut.
Rabe, give me Hollandia yogurt.
The one there for me though.
Yes.
That bread where you the thief so now 700.
Jesus.
What's going on here?
I'm gonna watch.
Let's go wrong.
See us we fine. What are you drinking?
Oh, strawberry daiquiri.
Which one be strawberry daiquiri again? Please tell them to give you something made they chop.
I'm okay with this. I'm okay.
Which one be say you are okay? How can you come date? You tell me say you are okay. Tell them to give you something made they chop.
Are you sure?
She said she's
it's
okay.
an embarrassment for me to carry you come date. You can't drink all this thing. Tell them to give you something.
Okay.
Now you go wrong.
So.
Okay. Right.
Waiter! Hi. Do you guys have Motel? Yeah, bring Motel, cranberry. And for the food, you can bring catfish. I need
fries on the side, and also a cold bottle of champagne. And don't forget water. Thank you.
She says she's okay. You don't insist. Now you don't sweat.
I mean, are you a single mother? Because the way you just place this order, like say you get you the way say you won't go feed for house. I be get your fellow badges where you keep for your website you won't go give food. Because I don't understand. I was just trying to be a gentleman, not knowing say now off and I carry comfort day. Do I see this date now, eh? You don't end. I clear.
If you clear for yeah, you dey mad.
I'm gonna why?
Oh, because I keep quiet. They look you since me, Choco Malaysia. You just a buga, just show yourself because I look you since. Oh, because I manage you. You this local champion. You're going to sit down there, and I will clear because nobody walks out on me on the date. I carry this thing.
Come on. When you kuta ogodi kutaria anyway, sha.
When you kuta ogodi kutaria.
I still clear.
She said she's okay. You don't insist. My girlfriend asked me to find her, or she won't talk to me for a whole week. She's invincible. My guy no want me to talk for 1 week. My guy no want me to talk for 1 week. You don't want me to talk for 1 week. He prefers her not talking to him for 1 week. You are invincible, darling. Darling, you are invincible.
How many times have I told you? When you see my clothes, you drive. You cannot drive because you are not tall. Yes! See M2 on the floor. Climb there. Drive because you will not hear what.
I told you plenty times that she's not talking to me like this.
And she's not talking to you like that. You need to have in mind to talk. We need your smelly height. With your smelly height. Now my clothes, now they are not drive. How many times have I told you? Help me drive my clothes more. You will not do it. Your mate, they will be driving to you. Drive clothes.
Stop talking to me like this. How many times have I told you to stop shouting now? And stop raising your voice.
Which kind of insult be that?
Oh, Jesus.
Go carry chair or you jump. You go jump now.
Oh, the struggle. The suffer is real.
So I was saying that shawarma guy was not. How many times have I told you that you should stop doing this? I see that people are watching us.
Yes, we talk past their guys. That's what I mean.
This relationship is getting very toxic. It's turning into
Waiting before Papa they talk for you.
You're still talking. Let's go now, babe. Come, let's go.
You know that's supposed to be doing this.
Shy!
Yes, we talk. That's what I tell you.
I've been saying that we should spend more time together. At the end of the day, love is blind.
You're just hiding behind this chair. You think I don't know your scope? Stand up. Let's show each other proper love, Joe. Stand up.
Is that why you're here?
Stand up, baby.
I'm all pride.
Baby, stop, Joe. Calm down.
Calm down, girl.
Yeah. Kiss me, Joe. Baby,
you're making me timid, though. You're making me timid.
Kiss me, Joe. Yeah.
Where is your leg? Mumu. Show me everything for you and a fake. Hey, crocodile don't see. Crocodile don't see.
You say you wanted a loan of 500,000 naira.
Yes. The loan company.
And you're sure that all the information provided here are correct?
They are all correct, sir. Very sure, sir. You can ask my father.
Your father is late now.
I mean, my stepfather.
Okay, your stepfather is alive.
Yes.
Are you sure you're going to pay this money?
Look at me very well. Do I look like I resemble
How much you want for them?
Sure, look me. I resemble Unofi.
You're over excited, so I'm doubting. Alright, sign here.
I get it.
Under your name.
Motel
It's okay. Poor people with bad signature. What's this? Ordinary 500,000 and you want to spoil everything.
Give me.
I'm giving you this money. Okay, calm down now. What's your problem? Calm down. If you joke with me, I'm not going to give you this money.
Don't sign now. Just
This is 500,000 naira.
Okay.
If you fail to provide,
I'll just take it to my
Oh,
house.
Oga, calm down.
Oga, calm down.
I'll take you this Bible. Respect yourself. What's wrong with you people? Be careful, oh.
Hey. All right now. Thank you very much, eh? We'll see now. All right, guy. Later, eh?
Will you leave that?
Sorry.
Watch out for part 2. Wow. So now waiting get part 2. Now waiting get part 2. I go watch. I don't know. So now go bear with me. Maybe if the part 2 don't come out, I go put on here. We go still watch am. You understand? But anyways, like loan company, they give money cash. No be transfer that they do. I think they transfer the money to your account and then you go and catch it. Do they give cash? That one me, I don't know. I don't know. But I think they should not be. It's not wise to be giving cash. If the person can't go outside, they can't collect the money from you and go. You know? But anyways, what's your favorite part of the video? I think for a start, I think I love that first one. Amuneke, I love that first one. You know, I think it's a big lesson to all these politicians. One day, all these guys, all these people, all these hospitals, all these things where they're supposed to repair for year, live and they travel out. One day they will jam our people for dear, and our people will show them shaggy. Now, waiting they don't understand me that. But anyway, until that day comes, they will not understand. So thanks guys for watching to the very end. I really appreciate you. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate. You know, what's your favorite part? Tell me. I've said mine. Tell me yours. And please make sure to check out my other videos. There's so many of them on my channel. Check them out. Share this video to your friends and family, your WhatsApp status, your Facebook. Just share it. Share it. You understand? Share it. And subscribe if you're here to do that, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in my next one. Peace and love.